Hello, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can change your voice on TikTok. Watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up the TikTok app. From this section, tap on add icon on the bottom of the screen. From here, record the video and then tap on this. After that, tap on audio editing option. Now from this section, you can choose voice effect for your video. Choose the one for your video and tap on save button on the top right corner of your screen. Now if you want to change your voice again, then again tap on audio editing. Choose the one and tap on the save option. Now your voice on TikTok will be changed. That's how easily you can change your voice on TikTok. I hope this video was useful. If it was, subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.